sacred house. Pray for me and give my greetings to the seal prophet and guidance to mankind. The Kaaba so great and marvelous, light encompass it all over. The Kaaba so great and marvelous. Bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another episode of Quest for Umrah. We have seen in the previous episodes many teams battling it out to see if they can fulfill their quest. We are now going to go into our section called Who is He? I will give you a description of a person. We need to listen hard, work together as a team and come out with the right answer. This is your chance, Indonesia, your chance to come back, because the one who gets this right, 5 points. Yes, 5 points. We will now start. Listen. He was born in Damascus in 577 after Hijri. He is known as the Sultan of the Scholars. He reached the rank of Ijtihad. He participated in fighting the Tartars with his word and with his sword in spite of being very old. He passed away in Cairo in 660 AH. Az-Zahir Baybars attended this man's funeral and said to one of his close companions, "Today my rule has become firm and settled, because if the Sheikh has told the people to rebel against me, he would have dethroned me." Who was this person? Let's get your answers. Write your answers down. As I come to collect, I will tell you more. Born in Damascus, 577 AH. Known as the Sultan of the Scholars. A mujtahid. Let's have your answers there, Team Indonesia. Are you sure? Okay, let's have your answer. Okay. So someone has been doing their homework, or someone has got it wrong. We will find out. This part of the question, they can get 5 points. Indonesia desperately need these 5 points. So without further ado, let's see what you wrote. I asked you to describe a person in Indonesia, and the answer you gave me was Al-Izz bin Abdus Salam. Mauritania. I asked you to describe a person, and the answer you gave me was Al-Izz bin Abdus Salam. The correct answer of who is he was Al-Izz ibn Abdus Salam. We give 5 points to both of you. Congratulations, very well done. Give yourself some support. Very well, excellent, excellent. So let's have a look at the points now. Indonesia, you needed this 5 points. It's brought you up. You're now at 16. Very well done. Mauritania, this is added to your lead. You're now at 20. So both teams, we still have some questions to go. There's still a chance for you to come back, Indonesia. Stay firm, stay focused. Okay. Indonesia, how do you feel now? You're a few behind Mauritania. Do you think you can do this?
Inshallah.
We'll try our best.
Excellent. That's what we like to see. All right. Before we start, Indonesia, you have any Islamic songs that you know in your language you'd love to hear?
Of course, there are many songs.
Let's have one. Let's get the support for Indonesia. Come on, let's have one.
Okay. Sepohon kayu daunnya rimbun, lebat bunganya serta buahnya, walaupun hidup 1000 tahun, kalau tak sembahyang apa gunanya?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Walaupun hidup 1000 tahun, kalau tak sembahyang apa gunanya?
Okay, Indonesia now. Your captain has done this. Let's revitalize. We are now going to have our next section, which we will choose Seerah, the life of the Prophet ﷺ and his companions. Now, Indonesia, your first question on As-Seerah will be, what surah did Umar ibn al-Khattab hear when he became Muslim? Was it number 1, Surah Taha? Was it number 2, Surah Ibrahim? Was it number 3, Surah Yasin? Or was it number 4, Surah Yunus? Let's start the clock now, please. Umar al-Khattab, one of the great companions of the Prophet ﷺ. Yes, you have your answer?
Number 1.
Number 1, let's stop the clock. You say it's Surah Taha. Let's check the answer. It is Surah Taha. It was in the house of his sister when he heard the Quran, and it was Surah Taha that he heard, which made him accept Islam. Alhamdulillah. You have 3 points for that. Very well done. Mauritania, let's have your question on Sirah. Who led the Muslims troops in battle of the Mut'ah after the martyrdom of 3 leaders? So in the battle of Mut'ah, after 3 main leaders were martyred, who led the Muslims in battle? Was it Abu Ubaidah? Was it number 2, Al-Bara? Was it number 3, Khalid ibn al-Walid? Or was it number 4, Abu Dujana? Let's start the clock now, please.
Number 3, Khalid ibn Walid.
Okay, so the battle of Al-Mu'tah, you say is Khalid bin Walid.
Yes.
Let's check the answer. It is the right answer. Well done. 3 points for you on the first section of our new round. Let's have some support for both teams. They're doing very well. Allahu Akbar. Very well. Very good. Very good. Okay, good. Our next question now is Indonesia. Who fought a duel with Marhab, a Jewish man, and killed him in the Battle of Khaybar? Was it Sa'ad ibn Abi Waqqas? Was it number 2, Abu Dujana? Was it number 3, Ali ibn Abi Talib? Or was it number 4, Al-Bara ibn Malik?
Number 3, Ali
Start
bin
the
Abi
clock
Talib.
now, please, before you answer. Who do you say?
Number 3, Ali bin
Number
Abi
3,
Talib.
stop the clock. And the right answer is Ali ibn Talib. Very well done. He took on the great Jewish warrior in this battle and defeated him. Alhamdulillah. Let's have our next question. Let's show some courage, like the courage of Ali radiallahu anhu. Mauritania. Who led the Muslims in a battle of Mut'ah after the martyrdom of Zayd? So after the martyrdom of Zayd, who led the Muslim troops in the battle of Mut'ah? Was it Amr ibn al-As? Was it Az-Zubayr? Was it Jafar ibn Abi Talib? Or was it Al-Bara ibn Malik? Start the clock now, please.
Number 3, Jafar ibn Abi
You
Talib.
say it's number 3, stop the clock. Jafar ibn Abi Talib, and the correct answer is? It is Jafar ibn Abi Talib. Do you know who Jafar ibn Abi Talib was? To the Prophet
It is the
ﷺ?
cousin of Muhammad sallallahu
He was
alayhi
the
wa sallam.
cousin of the Prophet ﷺ,
Yes,
and a great Muslim warrior,
yes.
and a great Muslim at the time of the Prophet ﷺ.
Brother of the Ali.
And the brother,
Brother
of
of Ali radiallahu anhu as well. Great warriors, great family. Okay, that was excellent. Can we have a look at the scores now? Let's have a look. See how Indonesia's doing. 22 points Indonesia, you're moving up every step. Very well done. The song has helped. The Islamic song that you sang has really helped. Mauritania, you're still on top, 26 points. Keep it up, and we'll see what happens later on. Your next question now, on Sirah. Indonesia, who is the Prophet's uncle that used to defend him though he died as a non-Muslim? Was it Abu Talib? Was it Abu Lahab, Al-Abbas, or Al-Bara ibn Malik?
Number 1, Abu Talib.
Start the clock now, please. What do you say?
Number 1.
Stop the clock. You say Abu Talib, and the correct answer is Abu Talib. Well known, he was the uncle of the Prophet ﷺ who aided him so much, yet he never accepted Islam. Okay, well done, and we see to you now. Mauritania, they are always behind you. Your question is, who was the first woman martyr? Who was the first woman martyr? Was it Zainab? Was it Khadija? Was it Sumayya? Or was it Salma? Start the clock now, please.
Number 3, Sumayya.
You say number 3, it is Sumayya, and our correct answer is Sumayya. Alhamdulillah, you're doing very well. Let's have a look at the scores now. How do you think you're doing, guys? Good? Good? All right, the scores is 25 Indonesia, 29 Mauritania. They are getting closer and closer, Mauritania. Stay on top. Okay, let's change the subject now. We will go to history. Our section now is history. The question for Indonesian history is, he was a famous Italian explorer of the late 13th century and early 14th century. Who was this person? Was it Marco Polo? Was it Christopher Colombo? Was it Benito Mussolini? Or was it number 4, Napoleon? Start the clock now, please. A very well-known, famous Italian explorer. Late 13th, early 14th centuries.
Number 1.
Stop the clock. You say number 1, Marco Polo. The correct answer is Marco Polo. Well done. Very good. Okay. Mauritania, we'll have question history. How do you think you're going to do in history?
Inshallah, well.
You like the subject?
Okay, I like it.
Excellent. Okay. Your question is, this group of people ruled Mexico and neighboring areas in the 16th century. Was it the Mexicans, the Mayas, the Aztecs, or the Amerindians? Start the clock now, please.
Number 3, Aztec.
You say it's Aztec. Stop the clock. Aztec is the correct answer. Very well done. Excellent. 3 points for you there.
The Kaaba so great and marvelous, lighting can pass it all over.
Our next question, history. You need to stay on top. We need to catch up now, Indonesia. Catch up, okay? Let's have our question. What structure is considered to be the oldest man-made building still standing? Is it the Sphinx? Is it King Tut's tomb? Is it the Great Pyramids? Or is it the Saqqara Pyramids? Start the clock now, please.
Number 3.
You say stop the clock. Number 3. You say the Great Pyramids. Let's check the answer. Unfortunately, it was Saqqara Pyramids, so you don't get any points for that. They were the first known man-made building that is still standing. Mauritania, this is your chance to excel. Okay, let's have a look at your question. The Roman Empire existed from 31 BC to 400, 800 to early 1000, 527 AD to 1453, or 1 AD to 1500.
Question again, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Roman Empire existed between what times?
Okay.
31 BC and 400. Number 2, 800 to early 1000. Number 3, 527 AD to 1453. Or number 4, 1 AD to 1500. There are a few seconds left. Make your choice quickly. Make your choice, guys. You have a few seconds left.
Number
Make
one. Number 1.
Number 1. Stop the clock, please. You say number 1. The correct answer was number 2. Unfortunately, Indonesia, good news for you. It's your time to come back. Okay. The last question for you now in this section of history will be, Indonesia, this is your chance. We need 3 points out of this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Indonesia, do you have support? Okay. The French Revolution was not a result of inequality, rise in taxes, the influx of immigration, or weak monarchies. What was it not a result of? Start the timing now, please. Inequality, rise in taxes, the influx of immigration, or weak monarchies.
Number 3.
Stop the clock. You say number 3, influx of immigration. Let's check the answer. Can it be the one that you're looking for? Is it the right answer? Yes, it is the right answer. Well done. The influx of immigration is the right answer. You are now coming back. Mauritania,
Okay.
they are so close. Let's have your last question now. Your last question is, listen carefully, the empire of Alexandria the Great included Asia Minor, Syria, Arabia, Egypt, Gaul, Britain, Gaul, and Iberian, Russia, Italy, or Greece?
Question again, please.
Okay. The empire of Alexandria the Great included Asia Minor and Syria, Arabia, Egypt, Britain, Gaul, Russia, Italy, and Greece. Start the clock now, please. 1, 2, 3, or 4.
Number 1.
Stop the clock. You say Asia Minor and Syria.
Yes.
Alexander the Great.
Yes.
Did he or did he not? Let's check the answer. It is the right answer. Well done. Very well done. Okay. Let's check the points now. On our last section here. Indonesia, you've come back very well. Proud of yourself. 28 points. But still in the lead with 32 points is Mauritania. Very well done. Okay, let's have some support for the people. Come on. Okay. This is the time that can make all the difference. The Q zone. Who captains decide will be coming into the Q zone for a quick fire round. The round that can change all the scores. The round that we've seen before that can make the difference. Discuss amongst yourself who will be the one. I will come back to the captains and you will tell me which one it will be. As you know, this is not going to be an easy task. Have we got a decision from Team Indonesia? Okay. Dinta, are you willing to take on this heavy burden on your shoulder? Well, come forward onto the Q zone for us. Mauritania, captain, have you chosen your man? And who is this? Mukhtar. Mukhtar, come into the Q zone. No one said it's going to be easy. No one said that it's going to be slow. This will be quick and fiery. You must think quick on your feet. You must be able to answer the questions. This is the difference for your teams. Are you ready for the challenge? Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Are you ready for the challenge? Okay. I will give you questions starting from here. If you take too long, I will pass the question on, which gives you a double chance. If you don't know, you can say pass. Let's start the timer now, please. Okay, first question for you. What is the chemical formula of water? The chemical formula of water. What is the chemical formula of water? Okay, what is the chemical formula of water?
H2O.
Well done. 3 points for you. Okay, next question for you. Which is the largest animal in the world?
The word
Largest animal in the world. Come on.
blue wheel blue.
Blue whale. Yes, well done. Okay, next one for you. What is 68 plus 35? Use your brain. 68 plus 35. 68 plus 35. Come on. 68 plus 35. You should be thinking about this. Come on.
103.
103. Well done. Excellent. 3 points for you. Okay, Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia. We're going to get another question for you. How many sides does pentagon have?
Eh?
How many sides does a pentagon have? The shape pentagon.
Pentagon?
Yes.
4.
4. No, incorrect. Okay, next question for you. What makes you float in the Dead Sea?
Eh?
What makes you float on the Dead Sea? Next question. What makes you float in the Dead Sea? Why do you float in the sea?
Because the salt.
The salt. Well done. 3 points for Indonesia there. Okay, back to you. How do you spell scissors?
Caesar.
Yes, quickly.
C-A-S.
No, incorrect. Okay, next question for you. What is glass made from? 1 minute 30 left. Come on. What is glass made of? Glass. Glass.
Clad
Glass.
made of land.
No. What is glass made of?
Metamorphic.
No, sand. Okay. Where was the first nuclear bomb dropped?
In Hiroshima.
Yes, 3 points for Indonesia. Okay, how many colors are in the rainbow?
7.
Yes. 3 points for Mauritania. Okay. How did Malcolm X die? Malcolm X. Very well-known person. How did he die? Next person. How did he die? Malcolm X.
Malcolm
Very
X.
well-known person. Come on, come on, come on.
American.
Okay, no. Okay. Who was Winston Churchill? Winston Churchill. Come on, 1 minute left. This is going to make the
Churchill,
difference.
England, Prime Minister.
Prime Minister, well done. Okay, next we go. How many states in America?
50.
How much?
50.
50, well done. Okay, name a city that starts with letter A in Egypt. Name a city that starts with the letter A in Egypt. Okay, next one. How many players in a football team?
11.
11, well done. Okay, what is the tallest mountain in the world?
Tallest?
Come on, few seconds left. Tallest mountain in the world?
Mountain Everest.
Everest, yes, well done. Okay, who killed Hamza Abdul Muttalib? Who killed
Wahshi.
Hamza? Wahshi, well done, yes. Where is Mississippi? Last few seconds.
Mississippi.
Where is Mississippi? Where is
America.
Mississippi?
USA.
USA.
America.
No, where?
United States.
No, okay. What does the UN stand for? Time up. Okay, well done. Let's go back to your seats. Let's have some support for these. It wasn't easy, but you did very well. Excellent. It was not easy. It was not easy at all. Team Mauritania, Team Indonesia. That was hard, wasn't it? That was quick, wasn't it? But you guys did very well. Now, we will come with the final scores. The scores that will decide who will achieve 3 points to go into the next round of Group B. How do you think you did, Indonesia? Good? How about you, Mauritania?
Okay, good.
Excellent.
Good.
All right. Your scores. Indonesia is 43. Well done. Very good. 43 points. Have some support for Indonesia. You did very well. Okay. Mauritania. That was a hard round.
Yes.
It wasn't easy. Your scores for this round to find out who will go through to Group B is 53. Allahu Akbar. Well done. The winners of today. Alhamdulillah. Excellent. Okay. Both teams, it's not over yet. This is only the beginning of the quest for you two. We still have more rounds to go. We still have different oppositions to defeat. We wish you all the best. Mauritania, you are 3 points now for the next round. Indonesia, you have none. As you've seen, viewers, it's not been an easy ride, but the quest has begun for these two. Let's see who will reach the end. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You are making